My name's Mel, welcome to my world, and if you're new to my channel, at the moment I'm building a stealthy off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere, camper van. Now today I'm going to be fitting my cooker. Well, not fitting it because it's quite portable, but what I'm going to do, because I've only got one ring, one gas burner and my sink here, it's a nice compact unit made by Dometic. There you go. Now I chose this because it's a small unit and it doesn't take up too much room on my work surface. Also, my bed, put that up there, has got an extender on it, as you see under there, and it pulls out and it slides right across there, and it makes my bed 6 foot long. And it also gives me all this extra room if I'm working on anything. If I've got any projects, I can sit here and fiddle. So that's why I chose just this small sink and single gas burner, because most of the time all I'm going to be doing at the end of the day is making coffee. That's like 90% of the time, but on the odd occasion that I do want to cook myself a gourmet meal and it will be an odd occasion, I can crack out my nice big grill. I'll open it up so you can see. It's one of these folding grills. There you go. It's really pucker. Obviously I've not used it yet, but I've got two rings and a grill as well, so I can make a bit of toast. So that is going to sit on top of here, but I need a gas supply, and to do that I'm going to use one of these, and this is a quick release gas fitting, but I'll show you more in a minute. But that is going to go around about here. I'm going to drill a hole through my work surface and have that poking up, so when I put my gas appliance on there, try and pick it up again, it's a bit difficult doing this one-handed. I think I should have used a tripod. So that'll go there, my gas pipe will come out of here, have a little bit of a loop and then go into there, and because this is a quick release valve, I'll be able to unclip it, put this away under the cupboard, and then it'll free up all this space. It won't be a permanent fixture. So I'll put my camera on a tripod and I'll show you what I mean. Now before I fit this into my work surface, I just wanted to show you something. This does lock into place automatically, and it won't come apart unless you pull that collar. Now if it does come disconnected by accident, don't panic, because it's got a one-way valve inside. You can see that it shuts off. So that's why it's important that this end goes to your gas bottle, so it goes to your supply. Your gas supply is fitted to this end, and because it's got a one-way valve in there that automatically shuts off if this does come out, therefore you won't get any gas leak. That's what it's for. This is meant for gas, that's what it's designed for, and it's got this safety feature built into it. Now I have pre-drilled a piece of wood just to demonstrate how this is going to fit. I think it's going to be a bit difficult once I've fitted it. This is going to go through the hole. This is my work surface, and that's going to sit proud like that, and that's how it's going to fit. My gas pipe will be fitted to there, going to my gas bottle, which has also got a gas tap on it, so it's quite safe. When I'm not using it, I can turn my gas bottle off anyway. The gas bottle's inside my cupboard, and when I do want to use it, my appliance will be fitted to this end, and that simply just pops in like that. Simple as that. And when I want to release it, I'll just simply push down and it will become released, disconnected. There you go, and that's how it's going to work. I just wanted to clear that up in case anyone thought, well, that's a bit dangerous, gas is going to leak. As you can see, it is a special valve, a one-way, not one-way, but a shuttle valve. Now, just out of interest, I used a 19mm, I think it's 19, I've got it upside down, yes, 19, a 19mm wood saw drill piece to make that hole, and it makes a perfect hole for this fitting. Right, I'm going to crack on now I've cleared all that up. Well, that went to plan, as you can see. There's my little, you can't quite see that, can you? Let me just point it down a bit. There you go. Just see it there. So this is the little fitting. That's what it's going to look like. It's just going to sit there like that. I'll put a little cover over it. It's right at the back, it's out of the way, it's not going to get damaged. Hopefully nothing's going to drop into it, but like I said, to prevent anything falling in there, I will put a little cover over it as well. Now I've got all this space that's free, so I can sit here and do stuff, do what I like, tinker. And when I want to cook something, I simply get my big cooker, plug it in like that, open her up, and away we go. I can now cook myself a nice gourmet meal. Yeah, right. That's not going to happen. But when I'm finished, mainly this thing has got a grill, so that's the main reason I wanted this, to be honest, because it has got a grill, and I do like a bit of toast in the morning sometimes, so I can actually make some toast with this, whereas with the single ring you can't really make toast on them. I know there is a contraption you can get to put over it to try and make toast, but I've heard they don't really work, so I do like having a grill. So that's me grill, and when I'm finished grilling whatever I'm grilling, toasting, I can simply put it away like that, unplug it, put it away, and I've got all my space back again. Pucker. Now, talking of toast, I did promise somebody that I would check to see if this smoke alarm is toast proof. So tomorrow I'm going to be checking this smoke alarm. I'm going to get my grill out, I'm going to make some toast just to see if this does go off. We're putting it to the test. A fellow YouTuber requested that I do this, Greg Vigo. If you haven't seen his channel, check him out. He's a very knowledgeable guy. Right, and on that note, I'm going to go get myself a coffee. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you want to see more content from me, then do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and ta-ra for now.